Welcome to Bloufontein Wildlife Park, your gateway to an unforgettable adventure in the heart of nature. Nestled between Meyerton, our park is a haven for carnivore enthusiasts, showcasing an incredible array of wildlife, including majestic lions, elusive tigers, and playful wild dogs. Imagine walking through lush gardens, surrounded by the calls of hyenas and the sleek movements of leopards.
Planning your visit is easy. Book your tour at our offices located at Clip-Dry Caravan Park. Tours depart daily, and for a more personalized experience, private tours are available for groups of 8 or more. Whether you're joining us on a weekend or during the week, pre-booking is essential to ensure your spot. Bring the whole family along. There's something for everyone. Children can enjoy our play area, while birdwatching enthusiasts can immerse themselves in the beauty of nature. Join us for a guided tour and discover the wonders of Bloufontein Wildlife Park.